In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a loan on Chase Bank as of 2025. If you're thinking about getting a mortgage and considering Chase as your lending partner, I'll guide you through the application process step by step, making it easy and clear for you. First, you'll want to head over to Chase's official website. To do this, simply open your web browser and type in www.chase.com. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it's packed with all sorts of helpful banking options, but for our purpose, you'll want to look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. As we proceed, find and click on the Personal section. This is where Chase organizes all the products intended for individual customers, including loans. It's conveniently located, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Next, under the Personal menu, choose Home Loans. This section provides information about various types of mortgage loans offered by Chase. Dive into this section to get all relevant information and find links to tools and resources that will aid you with your loan application. Once you're in the Home Loans section, click on Apply for a Mortgage. This will direct you to the application page where you can start the process of applying for your loan. It's essential to ensure that you have all necessary documentation handy before proceeding, as this makes the process smoother. If you're a new customer to Chase, click on I'm new to Chase. This option is for applicants who haven't previously conducted banking or applied for any loans with Chase. If you're not new, there will be an option to log in instead, but here we're focusing on new applicants. Once you've indicated you're new, press the Next button to continue. This will take you into the Personal Information section of the application. The application process will now require you to enter your personal details. Start by typing in your first name. It's important to make sure you enter the correct spelling as it appears on your official documents. Following that, enter your middle name, if applicable. The system might accept this field as optional, but it's always good to fill in as much information as possible to avoid any issues down the line. Then, input your last name. Again, it should match your legal documentation to avoid any discrepancies later. If you have a suffix, such as junior or senior, you can add it. But remember, this is usually optional. Proceed by entering your date of birth. This information is crucial for identity verification and must be precise. Afterward, you'll need to provide your social security number. This step is vital for credit checks and identity confirmation, so double check it before moving on. The form will prompt you to enter your street address. This will be your current living address where you receive mail. If you reside in an apartment, suite, or another type of additional living space, the next field allows you to specify that as well. Continue by typing in your city, followed by selecting your state from a drop-down menu. This geographical information helps Chase pinpoint your location for regional processing needs. Add your zip code to complete your address. Now enter your email address. Make sure it's one you check frequently, as Chase will likely use it to communicate important information regarding your loan application. After that, provide your phone number. A mobile number is preferred as it allows for quick and efficient communication. After filling out these details, click on Next to proceed to the subsequent steps of the application. You're well on your way to applying for your Chase mortgage loan. Follow the prompts in later steps to complete the entire process, and soon you'll move forward with your home loan journey.